Metacognitive mechanics. What metacognitive mechanic do I struggle with? It's the use of the semicolon. To semicolon or not to semicolon? That is the question. Or should I say the struggle? So why do I struggle with this? Well, I often struggle on when do I use a comma versus when do I use a semicolon. Both a comma and a semicolon is used to connect two independent clauses. This rule makes it challenging to decide between the two punctuations. So what is the rule for the use of a comma? Well, we use a comma after the first independent clause when you link two independent clauses with one of the following coordinating conjunctions. This includes and, but, for, or, nor, so, and yet, as seen in the example below. I am going home, comma, and there's that coordinating conjunction. I intend to stay there. What about the rule for use of a semicolon? A semicolon is used when you link two independent clauses with no connecting words, as seen in the example below. I am going home, semicolon. I intend to stay there. Notice the absence of connecting words. However, here's the trick. A semicolon can also be used to join two independent clauses together with one of the following conjunctive adverbs. This includes however, moreover, therefore, consequently, otherwise, nevertheless, thus, etc. As seen in the example below, I am going home, semicolon. Moreover, there's that conjunctive adverb, and a comma there. I intend to stay there. So in this case, we're using a semicolon and a comma. And that semicolon is used right before the conjunctive adverb, moreover. So, what can help us in this issue? What can help me with this issue? Looking at these different clues, looking at the coordinating conjunctions, and knowing that when I see those, I should be using a comma to separate those independent clauses. Here are some additional examples. I could not drive home, so there's that coordinating conjunction again. I called an Uber instead. It was very foggy, comma, but there's that coordinating conjunction. We managed to see well enough to drive to our destination safely. So using those coordinating conjunction as a clue to tell me that a comma is needed. Here are some examples and clues to help with semicolon use. So these examples include either the absence of a connecting word. In the first sentence you'll see, it rained heavily all day, semicolon. We managed to have our party outdoors under the tent anyway. And there's that conjunctive adverb in the second example. It rained heavily all day, semicolon. However, comma, we managed to have our picnic anyway. So again, either the absence of connecting words and joining those two independent clauses, or the use of a conjunctive adverb tells us that a semicolon is needed. This concludes the metacognitive PowerPoint. Thank you for listening.